What's up, everybody? Today we'll be traveling to Collinsville Pioneer Settlement, which is in Southside, Tennessee. It's like 30 minutes from here, I believe. The GPS says we get there in 30 minutes. I would like to thank Michelle Dickerson for giving us these one-day passes. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now that we got gas, we got snacks, and today the only one that's going to be going with us is going to be Aaliyah, which she already drank all her icy. And the wife has nachos and her drink, so we're about to head out and talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
So we finally made it to historic Collinsville. We're right now at the visitor center, and we parked right over there across the road. Doesn't that look creepy over there, like children on the corn type of stuff? Crazy, huh? So we kind of have the place for ourselves. It's pretty nice, very relaxing, as you can hear. That's it, birds and us. Right there in that little box right over there, there's a nest. There's a couple of baby birds in there. So here we go. What you doing, little girl?
Nothing.
Reading about today.
All right, let's go this way. Children of the corn, look at that. This is actually the wildlife center. They said we cannot go in there, but we could see it from the outside, I believe. Or we can. No, we can't because it's locked. Ooh, look at all this. This is pretty cool. Look at that. You got beavers, you got river otters, all the deer, all the birds, owls, ducks. Look at that. Oh, let's go to the other door. Pretty awesome, huh? Oh, look at that. A mountain lion, wild boar. Oh, the badger, yeah. Duck, deer, and the moose. Oh, look at the ram. Ain't that awesome?
What's the brown
nice.
thing right there?
That big wild thing, it's called a wild boar. That's a wild boar, and the one on the tree, on the little tree, that's a bobcat. And
So
that
a boar is kind of like a pig.
a wild pig. It's like Peppa Pig, but wild.
Yeah, we can
No.
leave her.
Old school. Yes? Yeah. Scared ya, huh? Look, there's a path through the corn. I'm not gonna go through there. So right now we came from the barn. That's the barn. That's where they smoke the tobacco. And now here's the blacksmith shop, which in the map, we've been looking at it, and what happened? Makes no what? Sense. So, look at this. That's pretty cool. Pretty nice, huh? Ooh, look at that. What's up, buddy? So normally they do regular tours here, and the lady told us just because it's Sunday, we'll be doing our own tour. So whatever we find, hey, it's up to us.
I wonder what's in there.
Come on, we're gonna see now. Oh, more chains and stuff. Look at this. And then we could go in here.
Oh, maybe that's what you
Huh. Itty bitty door. Holy God, this is heavy.
probably supposed to be the smoke tower somehow.
Huh. This is awesome. Look at that. That's how they cut the wood. Walking trail. No, thank you. That looks creepy. Appreciate it. On this one, they made the clothes. It's called the Loom House. Go up these brick stairs. Oh, yeah, they did. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Huh. Weaving Loom House. They have an old school room over there. It's pretty cool. Nice. There's a cow over there. Ooh, look at this. There's a lot of rusted old tools. Look at this. There's an old carriage, Aaliyah.
Can I get in it?
No. And this is the house she was talking about. We saw one of these houses also over there at the land between the lakes. That's pretty cool.
Look, you know?
Old school chimney. Chimney. You could look through the window right there. Look through the, no, here, look. Right here through the window.
Oh, if you go all the way up, Aaliyah, you can see better through the other side.
Let's go through those. Oh. Look at this. Haha, look at the baby seat. Stove, the desk over there. The table.
Where's the baby seat?
Right there. This is awesome.
Oh, this can be a house.
And there. Nice. That would be like the kitchen, and this one will be the dining area.
I found another house.
Where? Oh, we went to that one. That's an old one. Look at this. I don't know if it's for real or not, but look at that. Look at this. Pretty cool. Yeah, and the ladies were there too. That's pretty cool. And this is sleeping quarters. Look at that. Awesome. Yeah, that right over there looks creepy as hell. Yeah. So now we reach the Wildwood Church and Schoolhouse. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at this. Nice. So they gave classes here and it was a church. Pretty nice. 1886 bell. Let's check this way. Look at this. A little bit closer view. Hey, swing, Aaliyah. Look at the deer over there. God. Yeah, they were over there in that area. There were 3 of them. It's pretty cool. I wouldn't trust that. You see how that's doing? Whoop, 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 whoop. These are the other ones. The other houses on the other side of the street. Because we were way back there looking at them. And this is the other side. Look at this. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Look at this. Oh, look at the beds. There's a bed over there.
Should we go on the other side?
Yeah, let's go on the other side. Look at this. Oh, there's the other side. Oh. There's the Lewis house. There's the Lewis house. And then you got that one over there and that one over there. That's it.
Let's go.
Well, it's a piece of history. It's still standing. They still take care of it. And when we come here, we just have to keep it clean and make sure we don't vandalize it because it's a piece of history, okay? Piece of history, sorry. And enjoy it. Either way, you can't just enjoy it, okay? So that's us in Collinsville, historic settlement. And guess what? TriStar, Explorer, thank you. Epic Gear, deuces, bye. We're out.